Ever wonder why the smell of rain is so refreshing? It's not just your imagination. Like and subscribe. You're tuned in to Whimsyfactoids, where everyday wonders become amazing facts. That amazing scent after rain is called petrichor. It happens when raindrops hit dry soil, releasing plant oils and a chemical called geosmin, produced by soil bacteria. Our noses are super sensitive to geosmin, so even a tiny bit can trigger that sweet, earthy aroma we all love. It's literally the smell of life waking up after the rain. Next time you smell rain, you're actually sniffing ancient earth magic. Like and subscribe for more wonders. Only here on Whimsyfactoids.